Hello and welcome to a quick overview on serials management module. Here what you will notice is we have some existing serials items which have already been received, marked as missing or even due, and what we can do is choose some of the functions available to us in serials for better management. First, within serials module, you notice we have different views where you can see all serials in one, and different missing ones or received at the same time and act upon them. So let's go to let's stay in here serials and try and make some changes using actions. First, what we'll do is we'll use the action update routing list, where new users do come on subscriptions. So here you'll notice innovation for startup only has 2 people's name in there, but in the next, which is due, we have 3, where we have an additional Steve. So what we can do is we can check this item and click on update routing list and select the names again, which will update and replace any existing information in the serial. And you can check more than one serial item to do this function. You're not restricted to just one serial. And we select Steve. And OK. And now you will notice both innovation for startup serial items are showing the same people name in the routing list. The other thing you can do is if you know there was something that's coming in and has been received, you can say select an item, and you can again select more than one item and use the function mark received, and it will move that to the received grouping, as you can see here. And again, selecting a function, and if it didn't receive and it was missing, you can select the function mark missing to move it to the missing grouping. And that's how they would appear in their own views as well, where if you go to serials missing, you will see these 2 serials in that view. Again, any of these functions can be used by using bulk, so you can mark received many of them, and even mark routed many of them at the same time, but just by adding the date it was routed out. So here I can select the date, and it will update that for both serials at the same time. The other function we have here is perform e-routing. So if we know there was an electronic PDF document or even an e-journal type serial, we can select perform e-routing, and anyone who is on the routing list will automatically get an email with the link to the electronic record. And you will notice that the email will automatically put the title, issue number and volume number as a link, so users will know exactly what that is, and they can click on the link and they will end up in the record in your library management system, and additional information with the attached electronic PDF file. The last function we have here is if we want to add another serial which is coming in, so we can set up an arrival pattern by selecting a serial which already exists. So we will automatically get the title filled in, and we can set this up. For example, maybe this one is due in sometime next year in April, so I can go to April and say it's due on the 2nd, April will be the 4th, and just select OK, and we've just created a new issue. So here it appears with the April date, Solar MG3 here. So those were the quick overview on the suppliers, and as you can see, you have the same search which is available in catalog, and you can narrow down your search using the advanced filters as well. Thank you for watching.